So for what would I do with 5th graders that don't know basic math? This is what I would do. Review. Review all the time. Be reviewing. Incorporate math fact review into your daily schedule, not just during math class, but always have math. Always be doing math in your class. And centers are a perfect place for fact practice. So you can set up different centers based on what different students need. That way you don't always have to work on your addition or always have to work on your multiplication. Your students can go to the center where they struggle the most and get the most practice that is beneficial to them. Some strategies that I've found were definitely use manipulatives, magnetic numbers, and arrays with candy or just any items are the ones that you find a lot. They're the most popular. So definitely use manipulatives. They provide a visual for the students, and a lot of people are visual learners, so seeing it actually happen will help them understand more of what's actually going on. Use concrete examples, so real world examples, such as like windows. If they have separators, they could be like 2 rows of 2. Those are examples of multiplication problems. So using things like that and just asking students what examples do they see, even just in the classroom, is a good way to show that what they're doing relates to the world they live in. Representation, so working through word problems, find the word meanings. So what word means that this is an addition problem, or this is subtraction, or multiplication, division. What are those words? And then write out the problem as you're reading it, so they get the connection between the words and the symbols. Mental math is a huge part of math, and there are so many different mental math skills. Not one of them is going to work for all of your students. Make sure you let them explore, introduce them to as many as you can, and let them use what works best for them. And lastly, play a bunch of math games. Math games get the students interacted, and it makes it more fun. And if they're playing a game, they don't think they're actually learning, but they're learning way more by being involved and interacting with each other and with the math that they're actually doing.